What if I told you 1 spoon of this natural booster can help your plants grow twice as strong and healthier over time? If your plants look weak, black spots appear on leaves, or fungus begins around the roots, it often starts quietly in damp soil and still air. Problems build slowly and steal strength from your flowers. Today, nature offers a simple way to restore balance. Take 1 liter of clean water and add 1 spoon of yeast. As you stir, yeast releases natural enzymes and B vitamins that feed beneficial soil microbes. These helpful microbes improve nutrient breakdown, making minerals easier for roots to absorb. When you pour this solution into the soil, it supports stronger root activity, improves soil life, and encourages steady, healthy growth. For leaf protection, take 1 liter of water and add 1 spoon of vinegar. As it mixes, vinegar creates a mildly acidic environment that helps slow fungal spread and limits surface pathogens on leaves. Pour into a spray bottle and mist lightly on both sides. This gentle spray helps reduce black spots and supports firmer, greener foliage. Use the soil solution every 2 weeks and spray as needed for prevention. Let your plant stay strong, fresh, and naturally protected. Thanks for watching. Keep growing with nature.